Hello, hello. If you would like to see what's in this box, then stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So, as with tradition, I really needed to get on here and do my small. It's not very big, as you can see. It's not a very big box, but this is my small Hobonichi unboxing. There is a couple things in here that are mine, and one thing or two things that are my daughter's. She continues to use the Hobonichi Weeks for her main planner, which I think is awesome. And I kind of use mine for other things, which I have a video on different things that you can use a Hobonichi Weeks for. I only have one cover left that I actually use, and that is, let me grab it off my desk, my Vanderspec, and this is a full quill ostrich in the color Inno Blue, which is deceiving because it's purple. So, but yes, so this is the planner that I have left. Never selling that. It's one of my absolute favorites. So, without further ado, I'm excited. So as you guys can see, and I'm sure there has been millions of Hobonichi unboxings this year, it comes in a yellow container and it says Hobonichi Techo 20th anniversary. So let's get into it. All right. Whoa. Okay. So now here's the thing that's funny for me. So because I'm not planning on using the Hobonichi as my main planner, I really didn't look at like what the freebies were going to be. So this is all like kind of new and exciting for me because I didn't take the time to look at any of the stuff that was coming. I didn't look at any of the sneak peeks. I literally looked the day of launch, my daughter and I picked out what we wanted, and that was the end of it. So I pretty much always get the clear covers for the Hobonichi Weeks, and we literally both just got absolutely plain and clear, nothing fantastic about the covers because we wanted the actual Hobonichi covers to shine through and not take away from that. So I got two of those. So this is the one that is actually my daughter's, and so this is cute. I'm trying to think. I really don't remember what it was as far as like what this picture is. It's like is it water lilies or some kind of flower? I'm lame. Everybody's gonna be like, it's such and such. Again, we just kind of looked at, oh, this is cute, and we sort of just went with what we thought was cute and what would go with covers that we already had. And so she has a gallon leather cover that's sort of this tealish green. And I'm trying to get this out. There we go. So it comes with the regular life book that I can't read. So there's that. And then, oh, it's shiny. So I guess, when we looked at it really quick, I just didn't realize, but you can see it's quite shiny and it's cute. And we both just got the regulars, so just the standard Hobonichi. I'm just doing literally a quick flip through because I wasn't sure if they changed certain things, because again, I didn't pay attention to that. So no, it looks pretty much the same. So this is just the regular size Hobonichi Weeks. It does have 2021 in like silver embossing on the side there, and the silver here as well. So she's gonna like that because this is gonna go really nicely in her gallon leather book that she has. So I'm gonna put that back together right there. Okay, so then I got this one, and it's funny because I actually haven't even, I've seen that people have posted unboxings, but I have not watched any of them because I wanted to wait. You know, this year I was like, no, I want to be surprised. I want to see this stuff for myself when it arrives. But I see that this cover actually, goodness, okay, this cover was quite popular. I can get it out. And I have, you know, I've seen quite a few people doing unboxings of it. So it's cute. And so again, with the silver embossing, and then just really, it's sort of, can you hear that? And can you see that? It's sort of like textured. So again, this is just the standard. Got cut off there with my husband calling me. So yeah, so if you're not familiar with Hobonichi, obviously, you know, you get, so this is I don't even want to say it because I swear I butcher everything I say. So it says botanist Tomataro Makino. Yeah, you know, I said it. Who knows if I said it right or not. But it does have like a little card in here about this particular week's. And then it comes with the little vinyl sort of secretarial pocket that you pull off the back, and you can put this in your planner somewhere. So, you know, these are sort of standard things that come with it. And then these are the new pens for this year. I didn't know they were black. So that's cool. Just a different color now to add to my collection. I'm not a huge fan of these pens. So I'm going to be lynched by certain Hobonichi people. But yeah, I mean, I usually still keep them. But I'm not like a super huge fan. But, oh, I thought it was black. But now that I'm like really looking at it, it's just really dark blue. Let me look in the light more. Yeah, that's totally blue. So standard, it comes with the 3 colors, black, blue, and red. And you know, they all have a grip at the bottom, and they're, you know, they're a decent pen. I'm not going to say that I hate them. You know, it's just not one of those things that I sort of prefer and go to. So, but I know a lot of people really love them. So I kind of keep them, just add a little bit of, you know, nostalgia in my collection for the different colors every year. And I usually, these are like the pens that when my husband says, do you have a pen? I'm like, here. Because again, they're just not ones that I super enjoy. I have lots of other pens that I enjoy more. And I'm not knocking Hobo in any way, shape, or form. I think it's great that they give a free pen with their order. And, you know, my husband gets use out of it. So this is perfect for me because it keeps him away from mine. So, okay. So I'm going to put one of these over here for my daughter because that's hers. So, all right. So I got these. And then actually, now that I say that, I wonder if, yes. So there's the same card in my daughter's. So hers was the Hiroshi Hatano. And it's, you know, named after this photographer. So there you go. That's kind of cute. I think that's neat, and it's a special way for you. Like, you can totally put some of this stuff in your books, and other things. What I do with that other one? What's it in my? Oh, right here. You know, you can put this stuff in like memory keeper book or whatever, you know, and that's what a lot of times I'll just do with this, because I don't use this for anything else. I'll just cut this out with, you know, because it has the 2021, and I'll put this in like a junk journal, or I put a lot of, just for myself, like the different orders that I get, I'll put that in one of my little memory books. So next is this one's kind of funny for me. I really wanted to get this last year, and I couldn't justify an A6. I do really like the A6 size. It's just not something that I would necessarily find that I would plan in per se. So I was gonna get this last year, but then I had some other books that I really needed to use up, and I didn't end up getting it. And then, you know, we moved and everything, and I actually was really happy that I didn't end up getting it. So with that being said, I decided, and I know I say that a lot, don't I? I decided to go ahead and get the day-free A6 this year. So, I wanted to see what it looked like. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So basically they just have like, I'll just go through it really quick for those of you that are like me and haven't really seen it. So, you know, starts out basic with your Hobo overview for your months. And then it has the separate one for each month all the way to December. Actually, December and then back to March. And then it has starting in December all the way to, I can't remember if it was February or March in my old Hobo. January, February, it is March. So there you go. So it goes to March of 2022. So that's really cool. And so yeah, so it's this, and then instead of physically going into the dates, it just literally is blank pages that are numbered, as you can see down here. So it starts on page 1. Let's see, what's it go to? We'll go through the blah blah blahs because we don't need any of this stuff. Oh, some of that looks new. Maybe? I don't remember. So 171 pages. So, you know, the thing about this is it's really not necessarily going to be, for me, something that would be super great as a planner. It's cute, but functionality wise as a planner, I'm not feeling it, because, you know, you would kind of need like 2 of these buggers or something. So, what I have actually decided to use it for is, and I don't have my other A6 here, so I have an A6 5-year Techo, and I love it. I use it for daily entry gratitude logs. But what I really kind of wanted was something that I could log in my monthly, and then on my daily, I could just do like a little picture, and I can write something about that picture. But I didn't want the obligation of needing to do it like every day, this. So this is why I got this, because I think it will really serve a good purpose for that. There's no chance that I'm going to take a picture every single day of the year. It's not going to happen. I'm too busy for that. But there is a possibility that I would do at least half the year. And so for me, this will be perfect, because as you can see, that's about what it gave me, is a half of a year's worth of pages to work with. Now, that does make the book itself kind of thin. And so my little brain was like, well, just in case I do end up doing more than 6 months worth of pictures and whatnot, let's get just a book. So that's what I did. So I have the day free, and then I purchased this one, which, I mean, I'm assuming this is kind of what their purpose of this book was to have just an additional, which is a little weird now that I'm looking at it, because what's up with the red? Oh, it changes. Oh, okay. Okay. See, again, I didn't do any research on this. I just said, oh, I'm gonna get a second book. And then I opened this and I'm like, red? Ew, I don't like that. Because I am not a red fan. If y'all know me, I don't like red, but you know, some people do. So yeah, it looks like it just changes different colors, maybe like 4 times. So if you put these together, you essentially have like a regular size book that will, you know, would get you through the whole year. So that's what I decided to do. I would have this for my days, and then this would just be kind of like overflow in case I do more than 6 months. And if I don't, then hey, I've got a cute little extra A6 notebook with Tomoe River paper, and who cares, right? So that is actually it. And of course, I did get a pen because this one is a planner. So I got a pen with that one as well. And that's my whole unboxing. And I yammered for a while. And there's like almost nothing here. Oh, goodness. What am I gonna do? It is what it is. My videos are chatty. I can't. I clearly can't make them any shorter. So I hope you guys, this helped you in case you haven't actually made any decisions yet. If you have any questions, please, please, please feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe. If you ask me a question and I don't get back to you immediately, send me a message on Instagram. I do my best to try and make sure that I answer everybody because my channel is still small enough for me to be able to do that. So yeah, so anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Bye.